Hey everybody, welcome back. Unfortunately, we are having to continue with our remote learning for a few more weeks. But fingers crossed you'll all be back at school soon. Just want to say a quick thank you and a very big well done to those people who posted some awesome Rocky Challenge videos as well as our Ninja Warrior Challenge videos. They were awesome. Myself and Mr. Hero are looking forward to giving out the prizes once we're eventually back at school. Unfortunately, we are going to be doing some remote learning for at least another 4 weeks for you grade 3 to 6s. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue to work through a number of activities. Hopefully they are enjoyable and hopefully you guys have lots of fun doing them. Today's no different. We are going to be working on a new activity. It's called Dice Fitness. There are a few little things that you need to do before we start this lesson though. So watch this video and then go get yourself set up to complete the lesson. First of all, the most important thing is you need to go on Show Me and open up the Dice Fitness document that I have posted. My suggestion is, when you open it up, there is a table down the bottom that has all of the activities that you're going to be doing today. To keep it nice and easy, I quickly wrote down those activities on a piece of paper. So you'll see I've written all the numbers down the side and the activity next to it. I'm going to put that just over to the side so I can always look up at it and I always know what activities I need to do. You'll understand why I've done that once I explain the activity. So do that quickly first. Copy out that table. Then what you need to do is, if you zoom in, you'll see that number 1 says roll the dice game by clicking here. So I need you to click on that little link and 2 dice will pop up on your screen. There is a button down the bottom that says roll the dice. This is nice and simple. So press that, roll the dice, and both of the dice will roll. I've rolled a 6 and a 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Nice and easy. Now if you look on your list, you'll see that 7 is to do a plank. How long do I do it for? Well, I need to roll my dice again, and that's going to tell me how long I do my plank for. So I roll the dice again. I've got a 3 and a 1, so 4. I'm going to do a plank for 4 seconds. Once you complete that activity, you can give yourself 50 points. So have a little tally to write down how many points you get during your 20 minutes for the activity. 20 minutes, I'm going to use another device. I'm lucky enough to have a second device where I can press start on the timer. The timer's running, it's going to go for 20 minutes. So if you don't have another device, that's okay. You can use the clock on your iPad or your computer. You can use a clock on the wall, anything you like, but it needs to go for at least 20 minutes. If you'd like to go longer, you can, but minimum of 20 minutes. So my timer has started. My lesson has started. I roll my dice. A 6 and a 6, 12. So I'm going to look on my list and I can see 12 says jog on the spot. How long do I jog on the spot for? Roll that dice again. 7. So a 1 and a 6 equals 7. That means I'm going to jog on the spot, nice and easy, for 7 seconds. And this is why it's handy to have a timer, because I can look down at my timer, I can start my jogging, I'm watching and I'm counting 7 seconds in my head, and I'm done. Give myself 50 points, I roll my dice again. This time I've rolled a 3 and a 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. I know that 4 is lunges, because I've written it down on my list. Or you can look back at the document, it's up to you. I need to do lunges. How many lunges? Roll my dice again. I got a 2 and a 5, that equals 7. So I need to do 7 lunges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give myself 50 points. Roll my dice again, see what number I get, that'll tell me what exercise I need to do. You're going to do this for 20 minutes. You're going to feel pretty tired when you're finished, but it's going to really benefit your health and your fitness and build some strength as well as improve your cardio. I'm going to quickly run through the exercises now that we are doing. I'm just going to do a couple of each so that you guys know what they look like. Most of these activities we have done at school before, so you should know what they are. I'm going to run through the table from the top. So if you roll a 2, you need to do push-ups. Nice and easy. Down, push-up, that's 1. Okay? You need to do however many it asks you to do. If you're Rolling a 3, we are doing sit-ups. Nice and easy with your sit-ups. You roll a 4, just like we did before, it's our lunges. So big step forward, step back, and make sure that you're swapping legs. So it's 1, 2 with your lunges. You roll a 5, you're doing some star jumps. That's nice and easy. Roll a 6, squats. Roll a 7, you're going to be doing a plank. Okay, so when you do your time for the plank, so you roll your dice, you get a 7, it's a plank. Then you roll it again. If you get a 5, that means you do a 5-second plank. Okay, so we obviously can't do a plank 5 times, so we do it in seconds. So down for your plank, straight arms, straight back, holding your plank. If you roll yourself a 8, find the wall, because it's our wall sit. So I'm going to come over here. Remember, I sit back down in my wall sit, hands at the front, and this one's done in seconds as well. So count however many seconds you need to complete the wall sit. After the wall sit, we've got our inchworm. So you roll a 9, your inchworm, remember you crawl out with your hands and then crawl in with your feet. That's 1 inchworm. You roll a 10, it's a shuttle run. Okay, so however many shuttle runs you do, you start at the point, you run down, up, and back is 1. Okay, so they are our shuttle runs. Mountain climb is nice and easy. Down kind of in our push-up position. 1, 2. Okay, so this is what our mountain climbers look like. Okay, you need to do however many you roll. Last one, number 12. Nice and easy, this one. Jogging on the spot. So we're going to do this one in seconds as well. So if you roll your 12 and then you add up to 6, you're going to do 6 seconds of jogging on the spot. They're our activities for today. Remember, my time is still going. It needs to be go up to 20 minutes before I can finish. You might start to feel a little bit tired. Make sure you've got a drink. You might even need a towel. Wipe off some of the sweat as you're working out. Let's make sure today, when we're doing our activity, we're keeping our points to see how many you complete. We're using our dice, or if you've got dice to roll, awesome. Okay, and most important is make sure you post those questions on Shobi for myself to see, and I'll probably give you some feedback about how you went in your lesson. Let's go over those questions again though. How many points did you get? That's why it's important to give yourself 50 points every time you complete an activity. Rate your effort out of 10. If you kind of like gave up or sat around for a bit and got too tired, maybe you didn't put in enough effort. Okay, but if you're feeling really hot and sweaty by the end of it, I'd say you did put in a really good effort. Question number 3. Did you enjoy playing Dice Fitness? Was it fun? What was your favourite part? And number 4, how did you feel after you finished? Were you tired? Were you hot and sweaty? Were you feeling like you could go for another 20 minutes? Let me know in your answer. That's our lesson for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the game Dice Fitness. Remember, I'll be on Shobi for you guys, and there are other WebEx meetings if you need to catch up and have a chat. Fingers crossed, like I said, I'm hoping to see you guys back at school really soon. Stay safe, stay active, have fun.